All right, here we have a carrier comfort unit. August 2018, the 3-ton or 4-ton, I don't know. Here we have a Goodman right here. I like these models with 3 fan blades. Bryant. July 2014. Here we have a new Run True. Oh my gosh. Where is it? It is 2020. It's a 3-ton Goodman. I'm not gonna get down this one. Here's a brand new LG right there. This one's not running. Oh, I don't know, man. It's a heat pump. It's a Mitsubishi. Oh! This one just cool! Oh my gosh. That's not good. October 2015. It's a 5-ton. October 2015. It's a 6-ton. October 2015. It's a 6-ton. Have a Pain Comfort. This one's a heat pump. This one's not. June 2016. It's a 3-ton. Here we have a Thermal Zone. This one's not running. April 2015. It's a 3-ton. Here we have a little Goodman right here. I could say, I think that's a 2-ton, but I don't know what year. Here we got these units over there. Carriers, a Thermal Zone, and another Bryant. Oh! Here's the Thermal Zone. November 2014, 3-ton, Bryant. July 2014, 3-ton. Got some carriers over there. None of these are running. June 2022, 4-ton. July 2022, it's a 5-ton. Wait, or 6-ton. this. June 2022, 410. June 2022, 410. June 2022, 510. February 2022, 510. All right, that's it. Out. This one just started up. Look, that's one shot. Nice. Oh, no way. This one's running on cool mode too. I think they're both air conditioners. This one just saw. This one just shut off. This one turned on. Okay. Now out.